Matthew Nemeth, Southcoast Locksmiths. Why did we decide to recruit an apprentice? Over many years we've had many young people that they come, they don't know what they want to do, they're a bit of a blank canvas. An apprentice was hopefully someone that was committed, reliable, actually motivated to come to work. What areas of the business are the apprentices employed in? Initially it was just more general counter work, retail, and eBay fulfillment. We do a lot of stuff online. But as time's gone on, it's encompassed more and more aspects with jobs and call-outs as locksmiths and engraving and shoes and putting more things on the internet, and it's just expanded and expanded. So what it initially was designed to do was to fill a gap, but it's ended up filling the gap and repainting. As the college supports us with the apprenticeship programme, if we had any concerns, especially in the early days, ironing out little glitches of getting it all set up, the college jumped straight on it with terms and numbers and bits and bobs we didn't understand and we were too busy with. They helped us with all of that. And we get paid to have an apprentice. It's some money, it's not a lot, it doesn't cover it, but it's a big chunk. And post-COVID lockdown and such, it all helps. And that pays for all the uniforms and bits and bobs to do with the apprentice and tools. Why should a young person do an apprenticeship? For exactly those reasons. They have a career. There's something they can take forward with them, they can escalate, they can move up to management, upper management, start their own companies, employ apprentices, and the cycle continues.